Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an ETA electronic travel authorization to travel to Gabon. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, many countries are issuing e-visas nowadays, and those who are not are also migrating slowly because it's very easy to apply and it boosts tourism and many other activities. Now, when it comes to Gabon, this is their electronic visa process, or you can say electronic travel authorization, where you apply and if granted, you are all good to go. And as of now, this is valid only if you enter through Lyon MBA International Airport in Libreville. Okay. So if you are applying for e-visa, make sure you plan your journey accordingly. Very simple. Select the visa type, fill the form, add documents, and then submit. Of course, I'm not going to submit. Now, fee you can see. They have given the fee information here. 1 to 3 months single entry this. For 6 months with multiple entries, which cost this. Okay. Payments are made on arrival at the delivery of e-visa sticker. Okay. The application processing time is 72 hours. Okay. Some country exempt, I'll not go. Uh, but you can click here and see if you need actually visa or not. But you know what? Take a look. So these are the countries that are free from visa, but kind of passport also you see. Okay, now we are good to go. Let's start the process. Type single. If I select single, what are the options? 1 month, 2 month, 3 months. If I select multiple, 6 months. So let's say I select this and I click on next step. Application data. Name, I'm just putting sample guys. You do as per your case. And this needs to be as per your passport. Date of birth, everything you do it as per your passport so that there is no confusion when you arrive. All this information you have to do as per your case, guys. Again, I say, not what I am doing here. Passport, passport details, e-visa. Okay, let me just pull some samples. Place of birth, place of birth, email. Let me see if I can do copy paste. No, I cannot. Okay, passport number. Again, this is sample. Passport type. I select ordinary passport. Passport country. Issue. E-visa details. Duration we have selected already, and it takes 3 weeks of processing. So make sure you Oh, sorry, 3 weeks, not 3 days. I apologize. So wait, I'm just putting this. Okay. Purpose of visit. I select tourism. Contact in Gabon. Hotel. If you have any hotel, you can provide that information, hotel address, and hmm, I'm just put. I'm just putting some sample. Okay. Okay. Now, what are the documents they have uh, asked? Let's see. Your photo and passport. That's very simple. And once you do that, you go to the next step where you submit and do the payment. So of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.